To reflect a point, tap the Reflect tool. A preview appears of a point, a mirror line, and the reflected point. The pre-image point is glowing. Tap or drag to place it. I want to reflect point A, so I'll tap point A to attach the points. Now the mirror line is glowing. I want BC to be my mirror, so I'll tap BC to attach the mirror line to it. The tool is complete. I've reflected point A in line BC. Here is another example. I want to reflect triangle ABC using DE as my mirror, so I'll tap the Reflect tool. A preview appears of a triangle, a mirror line, and the reflected triangle. The pre-image triangle is glowing. I'll tap the interior of ABC to attach the two triangles. I'll continue by tapping to attach the mirror line to DE. The tool is complete. I've reflected triangle ABC in line DE. Here is one last example. Again, I want to reflect triangle ABC using DE as the mirror. I'll tap the Reflect tool. Since ABC has no interior, I'll need to attach its vertices to the vertices of the glowing triangle. I'll start by dragging one vertex of the glowing triangle to vertex A. Now the next vertex is glowing. I'll tap to attach it to vertex B. And now the third vertex is glowing. I'll tap to attach it to vertex C. And finally, the mirror is glowing. I'll tap to attach it to DE. The tool is complete.